What's up guys, how you doing today? So today I am going to show you how to make a banner for your YouTube channel or something like that with Google Slides. So this is what Google Slides looks like when you create a brand new slide. So we are going to delete that text box and delete this text box, and we are going to close themes. Now you could always select a cool theme that you like, but I'm going to set it to this theme. So we're going to go to background, choose image, and we're going to do Google image search. So I'm going to search for some textures. This one looks pretty cool. Insert. You don't have to do exactly what I'm doing, but this is just one way of doing it. And we are going to click on text box and make ourselves some text. We're going to change the font size to something bigger. I'm going to make it even bigger, and we're going to set it to white. So, how about bold? Oops. There, that's bigger. Okay, now we are going to center it. The shortcut for centering is Control-Shift-V. There. Now we're going to move it to the center. So now I am going to go to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer. Going to select my ST Videos logo. Okay, let's see, that's a bit big. That's better. We're gonna change the font of this. And we're gonna set it to XO. It's just a font that I like. Now we're going to group these by selecting them. So here's how you select it. Press down Shift on your keyboard and then click text and then click the image if you have to. And we're going to click group. So now it's all one group. And we are going to center. Wait, what? Hold on. Okay. Ah, come on. How do I do this? How do I do this? There we go. Okay, now our stuff is in the center. May not look like it's in the center, but it actually is in the center. So now we are going to take a screenshot because I really don't think there's a way to download this. So for Windows computers, you hold down the Windows key, Shift, and then S. And not all people use Windows computers, so here's how you take a browser snip. Hold down Control, Shift, then S. Now this will pop up. We're going to select Free Select. And we are going to drag it to there. And we're going to click Copy. Wait, there's got to be a way to download. Hold on, let's see. JPEG. Ah, there's a way to download it. Let's see. I'm going to see if this works. Hopefully it does. Okay, sorry, my computer is a bit slow. Okay, you guys can't see this, but I can. Yes, it works. Okay. So, hold on just a sec. Okay, so we are back here with our banner. I'm going to delete that. And we are going to click present. So now it should look like this. And we are going to take a snip. Oh wait, hold on. No, can't have that in the way. Okay, we're going to wait for that to go away. So the way you do a snip in Windows, again, is Windows key, Shift, and S. So now we are just going to take a picture of the entire screen. Now we are going to grab that. Okay, you guys can't see this, but I am going to save this as a screenshot. I'm going to name it banner. Okay, now we are going to go to Chrome. Okay, so here at our channel, we are at YouTube Studio, and we're going to go to branding. We're going to click change and click the screenshot that we just got. So, this is a bit off-centered, but I'm not going to set this as my YouTube banner anyway. This is what will be seen on a phone, desktop, and TV. So that's how you make a banner for your YouTube channel with Google Slides. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. That'll help me out a lot. Thanks. See you next time.